Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where luxury meets perfection, and today, we take you inside one of the most breathtaking waterfront masterpieces ever built in Florida. Located at 1641 Killingswood Court, Marco Island, this home redefines modern elegance, showcasing design, craftsmanship, and beauty that words can hardly capture. Priced at $11.5 million, this estate stands as a true symbol of luxury living in the heart of paradise. As the drone rises above the turquoise waters, the golden rays of sunset touch the rooflines of this architectural gem. The red and golden tones of the exterior shimmer beautifully against the calm bay, creating a view so cinematic it feels like a dream sequence. From the air, you can see the perfect symmetry, the elegant pool deck, and the way the home embraces the wide southern bay views. It's a scene made for a movie. Stepping closer to the grand entrance, you're welcomed by tall modern columns, a sleek glass doorway, and the soft reflection of the evening glow on the marble floor. Every inch of this entrance screams sophistication. Once inside, you're immediately greeted by a breathtaking open-concept great room that blends living, dining, and entertainment into one seamless flow. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls invite natural light, giving an endless view of the blue water just beyond the infinity pool. The TV lounge and living area are wrapped in luxurious white oak flooring and designed for comfort with a contemporary twist. The walls feature Sacchario polished porcelain, giving the space an elegant shine that pairs perfectly with the golden lighting. The atmosphere is warm yet modern, cozy yet grand. Move into the dining area, and you'll find a space made for celebration. A golden chandelier hangs above a long table with red velvet chairs, reflecting light in every direction. It's easy to imagine hosting family dinners or sophisticated evening parties here, all while gazing out at the water through massive glass doors that open to the terrace. Just beside it, the kitchen is nothing short of extraordinary. Equipped with Wolf and Viking appliances, this space is designed both for function and for show. Quartz and quartzite countertops shine beneath recessed lighting, while the floating drop-down ceiling adds a designer touch. It's not just a kitchen, it's an art piece meant for living. Beyond the kitchen, the home continues to impress with a floating steel staircase, designed with oak and glass, connecting all three levels with a sense of flow and openness. Upstairs, the media room and game area welcome you with comfort and entertainment. There's even a custom wet bar, ready for your favorite drinks while enjoying the panoramic bay view. The upstairs lanai creates a perfect blend of indoor and outdoor relaxation, ideal for watching sunsets over the Gulf. Every bedroom in this home is crafted with luxury in mind. From the master suite with its own private terrace to the guest rooms with ensuite bathrooms, each space carries its own character, yet all share the same attention to detail. Warm golden tones, elegant lighting, and water views come together to create an experience you'll never forget. The bathrooms continue the theme of excellence with marble finishes, gold fixtures, and spa-inspired layouts that feel like a five-star resort. Step outside and the real magic begins. The pool area is designed for pure relaxation, featuring an infinity edge pool, dual fire pits, an outdoor kitchen finished with icy blue leather quartzite, and even a sauna for that ultimate luxury touch. Imagine evenings spent under the stars, with golden reflections dancing across the water as the bay breeze flows gently through. This home even includes a 3-story elevator and a 20-foot air-conditioned 4-car garage, perfect for your luxury vehicles, with extra room for lifts. Every detail of this house has been built for someone who expects nothing but the best. Built in 2020, this architectural masterpiece represents the next level of Florida coastal luxury, where design, comfort, and technology unite seamlessly. Whether it's the materials, the views, or the ambiance, every moment here feels timeless and unforgettable. At American Dream Mansions, we bring you the most beautiful luxury homes across the United States, from modern marvels to timeless estates. If you love architecture, design, and lifestyle inspiration, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible mansion tours. Because here, every home we show isn't just a property, it's a dream turned into reality.